Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I brought a very special video for those who love to stay updated on Netflix news. In May, the platform will release several incredible series for us to binge watch. So, if you want to know what these series are, just keep watching this video. The first series I'm going to talk about is Turn of the Tide. The series is based on real events that occurred in June 2001 when a yacht on its way to the Balearic Islands in Spain sank off the coast of an Azorean village. The boat was carrying over a ton of cocaine. According to reports, only 400 kilograms were recovered. The second series I'm going to talk about is The Tailor. Peyami is a famous tailor. When his grandfather dies, he comes to Istanbul along with his father Mustafa, who is mentally sick, having a childlike intelligence. The series tells the story of his difficult life, where he falls in love with his client, a bride-to-be, whose wedding dress he is hired to sew. The third series I'm going to talk about is Queen Charlotte, a Bridgerton story. The series is a spin-off of the popular series Bridgerton and follows the story of Queen Charlotte, an intriguing and mysterious character from the original series. The series explores the life and intrigues of the character in a historical context of 18th century England. The fourth series I'm going to talk about is When the Weather is Fine. The series follows the story of a woman named Ma Kwan, who returns to her hometown after living in Seoul for many years. She reconnects with her former classmate and neighbor and ends up falling in love with the owner of the local bookstore. The fifth and last series I'm going to talk about is ESHOP Kitty. The series is a spin-off of To All the Boys I've Loved Before. Teenager Kitty Song Covey loves playing Cupid and thinks she knows everything about love. But when she moves to the other side of the world to find her boyfriend, she soon realizes that relationships are much more complicated when it's your own heart at stake. So, what do you think of these news? Are you excited to watch any of these series? Leave in the comments which of these series you are most looking forward to, and if there is any that you are already following and recommend. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next Netflix news. See you next time. Thanks for watching.